Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I hope all of y'all have been doing well. Today we are making something simple, didn't feel like cooking, so this is what we're going to have, which is a Mexican tuna salad. You eat it on some crackers or some chips, some tortilla chips, whatever. A lot of people like to eat this on those tostada chips, the big round ones. It's really good, and it's something different for those of you who have not tried it. So I already have everything chopped up, and now I have my tuna really well drained, which is in water. Now, just when you think it's got all the water out, drain it again. You could see how I indented it there. I put a paper towel on it and just put my fist there, and whoops, there goes the camera, and kept pressing it. And when you put that can down, there's more water. So keep pressing it. You want all the water out. You can use it with oil. That's up to you. But it's not going to be as, how can I say it, like a fluffy consistency. That's why it's important to get the water out, and that's why I don't use it with the oil, because it's more messy that way. But if you like it with the oil, by all means, go for it. But we have some chopped cilantro, some chopped serrano peppers. I did leave my seeds in. We like it spicy. I have some English cucumber. I leave the peeling on it and take the seeds out. I took the seeds out of my tomatoes. We have some corn right from the can, some avocado, some lime. I have a little bit of jalapeno juice from pickled jalapenos. But I'm not putting any pickled jalapenos because this tuna has a few carrots and chopped jalapeno in it. But by all means, you can use fresh jalapeno. If you can't find this, just 2 great big cans of the tuna in water. And these are the 12-ounce cans. Use a couple of those if you can't find these. But it's simple, and let's get it put together. Okay, I have my tuna in there. Now, I'm not sure if I showed y'all a picture of what I did use. These are 2 small cans. These are, oh, let's see. There it is. These are 4.9-ounce cans. But like I said, if you can't find them, and I just use regular tuna of your choice, and I'm using the solid white albacore. Drained, it's very important. Now, the next step is very important too. It gives it that nice texture. Make sure you flake and break up all of your tuna really fine. Don't want no big chunks, so flake, flake, flake. Just keep going at it. Okay, you can see I have that all flaked up there. Now add your favorite mayonnaise. Me personally, I know there's a lot of mayonnaise police out there, y'all. They'll judge you on what you use and what you like. You use what you like. I'm using some Hellmann's. I either always use Hellmann's or Blue Plate. That's just what I grew up on. And mayonnaise is going to be something to your liking. Like your regular tuna salad, I'll probably start with a 1/2 cup maybe. Or so. Get that out of the way. I'm going to get me some lime juice. It's always best to start with less. You can always add more, but you can't take it out, right? So I'm going to start with 1/2 of a lime. Normally I use 1, but this one was pretty big. But if I need more, I can add it. I have a little bit of my jalapeno juice from the pickled jalapenos. I wanted to say something. I don't remember what it was. Oh, hopefully it comes to me. Some salt and pepper. Again, that's to your liking. Now, if you're going to add avocado, I would suggest you put that in when you know you're going to eat it, because we all know well, a lot of people don't know if they've never tried it, right? But we're We're going to cut this in little chunks because we're going to eat it probably in about 20 minutes. Let it set for a little bit. But if you're not going to serve it right away, put your avocado in when you know you're going to eat. At least eat it up that day if the avocado's in there, because we know how it turns colors and changes texture. But I'll just get this stirred up. See if I need some more mayonnaise. We don't want a whole lot of mayonnaise in here because of other ingredients that are wet, like the tomatoes, but I did take the seeds out of those. So I'm going to go with just a little bit more mayonnaise. A little bit more. And then we'll get our other ingredients. It's something quick, something different. Now they call it Mexican tuna salad because it's got the peppers, the cilantro, cucumbers, corn. It's just different from our traditional tuna salad, right? Which we usually do our tuna or celery or pickles and some like eggs in it. But this is really a good one, y'all. And I hope y'all try it. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in all of my diced up veggies here. And everything you need for this will be in the description box. There's my corn, drained very well. And I'll just stir this up to get it stirred together a little bit. Then I'll add my tomatoes. Just a little bit. Chopped tomatoes. Everything's chopped fairly small. And we'll get those mixed in. And we will get, or I will get this plated up so you can see how we like to eat it. Okay, I was going to plate, but I forgot. I wanted to add the avocado with y'all. Now it depends on you how much avocado you want in it. These are pretty big, so I'm just going to score it here. If you're using a sharp knife, just be careful. Don't let that go through, and just break it up to whatever sizes you want. I added probably a half a teaspoon of salt, and I did stir it up, and it did need more mayonnaise. So I added probably close to a cup of mayonnaise. And just get these out of there. I did use my whole lime. I think a half is good because that's a big avocado. But you can definitely put more, right? Make it yours. Put what you want in it. Now, I'm going to get this bowled up. When you get your avocado in there, make sure it's not a overripe one. You don't want nothing real soft and mushy in here. But you don't want it under-ripened either. I may put that whole avocado in there. Now I'm going to get it plated up. Okay, friends. There is the Mexican tuna salad. Ooh, forgive me. Okay, I'm going to try this with y'all, and it's good. I got some tortilla chips. Some tortilla chips I'm having it with. And some veggie crackers. Some good old vegetable crackers. And then I have a bag of some corn tortilla chips. That over there so y'all can see. Now, of course, it's going to be best if you chill it, but it's your tuna. You eat it the way you want. Put some on a chip here. I'll give some to some friends. And just like that, or you could put it on some tostada shells, as I was saying. It's so flavorful. Boy, that's good. But there it is. You guys, I'm going to get this chewed up. I'm going to talk with my mouth full. Boy, that's good. But you guys give that a try. It's something different and lots of protein there. So you guys enjoy it. As I said, everything's in the description box. If I ever forget anything, I will pin it there. But until next time, you guys eat well, love one another, stay blessed, and always help take care of someone else if they're in need. And I love y'all. And if you enjoy the channel, please like and subscribe and share. It helps my channel tremendously. Okay, you guys have a beautiful evening and make you up some of that Mexican tuna salad. It is delicious. Bye-bye.